flowers all around, above and in the ground. For spices stand there to grace my blender, to garnish my dishes so profound. Temos serpulum. Yes. Come to daddy, my beauty. Ti-di-da, dum-dum-di-da. Through you, my beauty, the goddess, Gaia, will breathe new life into my cuisine. Ti-di-da.
What are you doing here?
I'm a chef collecting herbs, same as I've done for years. Who are you?
Are you blind or an idiot? I'm Dolf, new head ranger.
The bush pig with a badge.
I'm arresting you for removing indigenous flora, you old scavenger.
I've got a license. Hippo guts.
Oh, Sunny Frank. Oh, well, frankly, Sunny.
6 months. Charming, old hippo guts.
You say that again. You're going to be hanging on my wall in my trophy room.
Hippo guts?
Bastard.
Hey! What are you doing, you fat piece of flapper? I'll kill you with my bare hands, you bundle of guts!
Damn!
You flippin' bastard. Bad luck, hippo guts. This old horse of mine can run on a flat tire. Where the hell is my clothes?
7th porcupine hole on your left. You, my friend, are going to do the naked Tour de France all the way back to the village, all by yourself.
Okay.
And you, my friend, are gonna sleep with a hyena.
Hey, hey! Pow, pow. One day, Sunny Frank. One day.
And Eve, naked, approached naked Adam.
Flat tire! No brakes!
And Eve gave the forbidden fruit to Adam.
Look out!
To me?
And Adam hit the apple tree.
Can I borrow that?
I now pronounce you man and wife.
Walker, I'm being it. Coco, why are you holding a dead rat?
You too are me.
Bad dog.
You see him.
My babies. Akavango sumac.
Sing your taste buds.
Sunday! Table 6 wants a word with the chef.
Is it a word of praise?
Yes.
Then you may speak.
This is the most wonderful curry I've ever tasted.
Sonny Frank at your service. Frank by name, Frank by nature. What you see is what you get.
Thank you. You know, I can taste Jira in here.
No, my darling. There's no jira in there.
I can also taste Jira in there.
There's no jira in there. You are insulting my cooking.
I can taste Jira. Trust me, I'm a bit of a foodie.
Trust me, you're a bit of a moron.
Are you looking for a smack?
Is it here? Is it there?
Oh, wait just 1 minute.
Listen.
Relax. I've got this.
Don't worry. It's totally normal.
You bloody man! Everything. I'm on fire!
Sonny Frank,
Get him out of here!
huh? You're fired.
Ronnie! These are sticky. Here it is. Ronnie! Hello, Ronnie! Hello, Ronnie! Come. Come, Ronnie! Come here. Come here, girl. Hello, Ronnie. You are beautiful. Do you want a scratchy? Scratchy? Good girl. Good girl. Good girl. Ooh, nice.
Hurry up, man.
Hello, beauty. Hello, Fiona.
You stupid sack of donkey brains!
Sorry, sir.
Oh! And you go home before I feed you to hyenas.
Hyenas.
Yeah! Hyenas! Fresh boy and dog meat. And you!
Where are my glasses?
You walk home!
He's right. I'm as dumb as a donkey.
No, beauty. He's just a mean old Dolf. That he is. And don't worry, Rhiney. You're also gonna grow up and be as big as the king of all rhinos.
Mr. Frank, it's 1 week you've been working and already you're late.
Good morning to you too, Mrs. Manny.
It's 1 week! It's the 10 times you break my blood and blood! From now on, you clean the bloody toilet, huh? And you clean proper, huh? Or I'll kick you back where you come from! Where you come from?
I was a chef on the Shongololo Express.
And now you are a dishwasher in hell.
Stand very still.
One could restring a tennis racket with these babies.
Out! You're fired! Out! Finish! Leave me, you bastard! Leave me! Yes, good. Pest control. Exterminate that cockroach in the road. Squirt them poison.
Poison on you, you hairy back. Walk on, Sonny. Walk on.
Through the jungle I dreamed I was flying. A magnificent creature lay down. At her side, her calf softly crying. As her light slipped away.
Excuse me, sir. Could I have a look at the classifieds in your newspaper, please?
Yeah, sure.
Thank you. Thanks, old-timer.
Who do you think you are, man?
Railway chef with experience in high-class cuisine required on Rovos Rail. Contact Cyril at...
Some people say shit.
Hello, dude. Picky for you. And now, fearless, why you cry? Your shadow make you frightened?
Can I have my Coco's pension, please?
No, hello, Mrs. Manny. No big smile.
I'm sorry, Mrs. Manny. They killed Riley's mommy.
Who's Riley?
Baby
Rhino?
Right, yes. They killed Riley's mommy and I just...
Poachers?
Monsters. Monsters.
Why do they do that?
People think that the rhino horn, it fix all the disease.
Doesn't.
Fix nothing. It's mumbo jumbo. Mumbo jumbo.
Thank you.
Hey, kid. Walk on. Take what's yours.
You, cockroach, why you still alive?
Ah, I got to use your phone. You owe me 300 rand wages. Old wart.
Give the chance.
South Africa has once again appealed to the government of Cambodia to crack down on the trade of rhino horns, as poachers continue to kill thousands of rhinos every year. Cambodia remains the #1 destination for illegal rhino horns.
Mrs. Manny, Cambodia. Where is Cambodia?
Go to China, turn right. When you see the big sign says Cambodia, you're there.
Hello, is that Cyril? Yeah, I'm phoning about the position as chef on Rovos Rail. You've probably heard about me, Sonny Frank.
And I have with me now the Cambodian ambassador, Mr. Chweng. Sir, Cambodia is the world's largest consumer of rhino horns.
Which is why we are hosting the International Rhino Horn Trade Conference and is due to begin in 3 days at the Cambodian Embassy in Pretoria.
You'll interview me? Head office, Pretoria, 3 days from now. You won't regret this.
We are marching to Pretoria, Pretoria.
Now I want to see you not again, not forever. I count 5.
You can't count to 2.
You're right. 1, 5. It suits you.
She's scary. Yo,
Rubbish. I'm not scared of anyone.
I wish I could be brave like you.
Yes, sir.
It's not for you, Doc.
I'm gonna go to Pretoria and I'm gonna tell them you give me this job, or else.
I'm gonna get to Cambodia, and I'm gonna tell the president you stop poaching rhino or else.
Good man, do it.
Do you really think the president will listen to me?
Go away, kid.
Oh,
Okay. Maybe not the president, but the ambassador, that guy you saw on TV.
what's an ambassador?
Ambassador is like a restaurant, okay? The chef is the president, the waiters go out to the tables, and they gotta be nice to people. That is an ambassador.
Where are these tables?
All over the show, like you heard. Pretoria. Where?
That's where you're going, and I can come with you.
Not in a million, billion years.
I'm scared to go by myself.
Cry me a river.
I have enough money to go. I just need someone to take care of me.
You got money?
Yes, come, I'll show you.
This is a Kruger Rand. Where'd you get it?
My daddy left it for me. It's all I have. But I would give it all if I can save the rhinos.
Listen, my boy. Sonny Frank. Big fan of rhinos. And you have convinced me. We're gonna go to Pretoria, you're gonna go to the ambassador, and I'm gonna go to my interview.
Okay, but you must come with me to the ambassador.
Sure, yes.
Tell you what, we're gonna kidnap him and hold him hostage.
What's a hostage?
A hostage is like it's like a prisoner. We kidnap the ambassador and hold him prisoner until he stops the poaching of the rhinos.
Yes!
Good boy.
Shut up, Fleabag.
Sonny Frank, I'll meet you here for the bus tomorrow. Deal?
Deal. Stand up and take what's yours.
Gonna save the rhinos.
We're going to save Sonny Frank.
Coco, here's your pension money. We're going away for a few days to Pretoria.
Who's Pretoria?
Here's Auntie Aggie's number. Did you make a...
Chitty made a poo-poo.
Go. Sis, man. A pandy boy.
When are you was?
Yes, Coco.
Fearless.
That's my name.
What's that? What's... Come. Yazi yonke lento ingaphakathi lapha kuwe yokuthi ungufearless. uNkulunkulu ngemuzini.
Gogo, and what did God say?
You know what he said? He said, sharp. Yes.
Amen.
Fearless! Come on, you're late.
Don't tell me Fleabag's coming.
Two tickets for me and him.
400. 150, he's got the rest.
No, you're crazy. Don't show the gold.
I'll get change.
Just give him no more money.
I only have 100.
Hey, when I out. You got my money.
Get, there's only enough for a child.
He's my friend.
What?
Wait, Sonny! Sonny! Hold on! Wait, Sonny! Sonny!
Buddy, listen. I'm sorry. I'm really sorry. I just had to get to Pretoria.
Oh, Pretoria. Oh, no hard feelings.
Thank you.
Sonny!
I just want to talk. Come on.
Save Sonny! Go,
Everybody back on the bus, except you, and you, dog.
Yeah, dog, and good dog.
That idiot can be glad I was disoriented. Otherwise... What's wrong?
I'm back where I started.
Msamini Sanctuary.
This is where Rainy and her mommy lived. Before they...
This is where it happened? Okay, listen here. This is what we're gonna do. Game farm means rich tourists. So we're gonna sell the coin and ka-ching! We're in a limo in an hour and in Pretoria by sunset, okay? Okay. Let's go and save some rhinos. Electric fence. Check this. Insulation. Watch. No chance. Army engineer, many talents. Wait here. Yes. Yes. You can do this. You're an X-ray. What now, God? Watch out!
That American chick doesn't stand a chance, huh? Huh? Handsome? How about I take you for a private game drive? Ruby, baby. We might just see some mating. Hello?
Sorry, boss. The alarm is going on at the fence. At the northeast corner.
You see? No more electric. Off you go.
Are you okay?
Are you my mommy?
What? No! Sonny?
Let's go!
Ah, what was that?
My stomach.
I'm also hungry.
Let's eat dog. Joking.
What?
Honey bird. So where? Honey badger. You! You wait your turn. Footsack. Phyllis, look.
What? Bees! No, let's get out of here.
No, wait. Let me tell you a story. True fact. I learned this when I was hunting for Schlegel's Franklin eggs in Zambia. Special banquet for the Queen's visit.
Oh.
The honey badger was led to the hive by the honeybird.
They work together.
Exactly like you and me. You see, the honey badger's got very thick fur, and the only place it can be stung is on its bum and on its nose. So what it does, it clams its tail over its bum and hides its nose under its armpit. Then he reverses towards the hive, and at the last moment he lifts his tail, he jams his bum in there, and he farts the most terrible smells. The bees go crazy, the queen bee especially, and they die and they faint. Honey badger takes the honey and leaves a little bit to the honeybird.
So why did you chase the honey badger away?
Because I want the honey for us. What a piece of luck. Puletus melanosporum.
No! Don't eat that stuff. It gives you the black cards.
That's why I'm eating it.
It's called the 1, 2, 3. Gogo knows these things.
Why is it called a 1, 2, 3?
1, 2, 3. No! Now you better hurry!
Poachers.
No, Beauty. Father Christmas.
In October.
Ay. A man, a child, and a dog.
Come on, Sonny, hurry up, hurry.
I don't have a tail, so I keep my zip closed until the last moment.
Sonny Honey Badger.
God save our gracious queen. God save our noble queen. God save our queen.
Into the garage. And the multitudes were silent.
Sonny! that your bum is on fire. But if a giant came to my house and made number 2 on my family, I would also be cross. Uh-oh. There's trouble.
Huh?
Sunny Frank, we meet again. Dolf will eat those guts.
Are you allergic to bees, sir?
No, why?
You're going to die, Baba. You've been beheaded. Check the mirror.
Not me. No allergy here. I once was stung by a queen bee and all her subjects, and I am not allergic to bees. I'm allergic to bees.
Look at this beehive. That's what you get for busting my fence. And both of you, I'm going to arrest you as suspected poacher.
I can't breathe. I can't see. Fellas, get me a doctor.
You need a plastic surgeon. You'll be okay. Let's go.
If you're not dead in 30 minutes, you'll be alive.
Sonny boy, you are going to be behind bars.
Yeah, you wish big with a badge.
Uncle, your swelling has gone down.
Let's go.
Let us go. We need to speak to the ambassador.
Shut up. Bread and water for you.
You're the one that needs a diet.
And if you make me miss my interview, I'll unscrew your head, season it with salt and pepper, and stick it up your...
Spread your legs. What? Beauty, search the child. What's in the mouth? What are you eating?
Nothing.
Inside. Let's go. Inside.
I can breathe again.
Why did you eat our money?
Because that Dolf would have confiscated it.
You've got to put it out now, because that's all we have, and it's lying in your tummy.
Not again. There's nothing left down there.
Which is a good thing. 1, 2, 3.
Done.
I brought your stuff.
What is that?
It's a Kruger Rand.
Hey, probably fake, just like you.
You know how you test it? Bite it.
I know that.
Get it in there. Test it with your tongue.
Tastes very funny.
It's come a long way.
Hello there, Sonny.
Ruby.
Ruby, you know these criminals?
I don't know the little one, but I know the ugly one. He's dangerous.
I knew it.
In his own mind, chef to the rich and famous, answer to the dreams of lonely maidens.
You don't think it's guilty?
Only of arrogance. And being a very fine chef.
Thank you.
Let him go.
I'm watching you.
Rather watch your back.
And you, young man, what's your story?
I'm with him. He's a very good friend of mine, and we've got a plan to save the rhinos.
Used to be a very good friend of mine once. I love Fearless. I mean, what a story. I'm going to buy his coin from him, encourage him. Provided that you're not actually planning to kidnap the ambassador. Are you?
Don't be crazy. As soon as we get to Pretoria, he will realize himself that this is impossible.
Let's hope so, because you're crazy enough to do anything.
And still crazy for you.
And what's with this thing between you and Dolf?
Passionate, rampant, intense dislike. And what are you doing back here?
I'm a bit of a big deal in international conservation these days.
Ah, that's why Dolph sucks up to you.
I'm here to oversee a huge anti-poaching operation.
Wow, you hotshot.
Dolph better not find you here, or he'll be very angry.
But why is he so mean to you?
Maybe it's because I can't see clearly, and he thinks I'm useless.
Let's test you like the doctor tests my gogo. How about that?
All right.
How many fingers?
Yeah, well, you need to tell me when you have them up.
They're already up.
I told you, it doesn't work. You know they can fix me. Just one zap with the laser and I can see just like an eagle. But it's too expensive.
Scratchy, scratchy.
Morning, Ruby. I loved the time with you last night.
Good luck with the new job, Sonny.
I'll look you up and down.
You should be so lucky.